Carrabbas down here in Clearwater, Florida. The rig's lighting the place up like it's Raymond James Stadium, baby. Okay, I made a decision here in the last couple of days. I've been cleaning these restaurants for, this is going in my 7th year here. I'm down to 2 restaurants. This restaurant takes me an hour to get here, hour to get back home, and I'm here for an hour. So, you know, and they don't pay me for 45 days. So what I've decided to do, and I have to get up at 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning in order to get down here and get this job accomplished. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this my last visit here. I'm gonna leave the keys to the dumpster area in the back. I'm gonna put them somewhere, and then they're gonna get a text message today, and they'll have a nice clean restaurant and 30 days to find somebody new. Some jobs are worth keeping, some jobs aren't, and I'm getting a little too old for this 2:30 in the morning stuff. As everybody knows that watches my channel, I do a lot of work every day. I really don't need to keep this account here. And I do another Carabbas over in Tampa. That was really easy to do. It takes me about 40 minutes, and I can actually do that job and make a point to go around to Tampa and go to Ameritech when I need to. So the jury's still out on that. I think I will go ahead and clean it one more time. The guy over there, Carrie's a good friend of my family. One of my family members anyway, that's in the restaurant business. My nephew Steven. But anyway, when he calls me next time, I'll go ahead and do his, and we'll make his, that will be the last visit for him as well. All right, I'm Don from Sidewalks Pressure Washing. We got a busy day today. Carrabbas restaurant, it's like 5:30, 5:45 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and SH this place downstream it. I mean, you can see the sidewalks stay pretty damn clean. I haven't been here for 30 days, so they keep it up here. So that's gonna be good. Then we got a pool cage after this, and about 4 to 6 driveways. I don't know yet. We will see once we get to the neighborhood where my HOA customers are in Summer Tree in Newport Richey. All right, let's get this puppy over with, and let's get after it. All right, here we are. This is a pool cage for Righteous Rescreening. Dan, the man with the plan. Look at all that green stuff up there, huh? Green, 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 green. It's just going to be regular downstream on this one, as always, right? I'll take some of this netting down. There, now we can get in here and get our stuff done. I got somebody's sunglasses here. They're gonna fall in the pool. We don't want that to happen. Nice pair of glasses. Anyway, looks like they're doing a remodel here. So there's nobody home, so we're gonna head and get after it. Get her done and get on out of here. All right, I'm Don from Carabbas. Let's get rocking. All right, let's have a look at the outside. Get this black stuff up here. See that? Not too bad on this side over here. But we still have some, so we'll get rid of it. All right, let's get after it. Let's have a look. See the black stuff's all gone. There's a little tint there, which we're going to take the bug spray to get rid of that little tint that's left behind. When people let their stuff go this bad, it leaves a tint. And this is a foreclosure that they just bought, so they're remodeling it. Needs a big bath too. All right, we'll get that pump up sprayer and we'll show you how that works. when we get ready to finish the job up. The lighting's awful, isn't it? All right, now I'll show you what I mean by that tinting. See that tinting up there? You can barely see it at the very top, but we'll get rid of it. All right, come in here and we'll get the rest of this pool cage taken care of. This will be a good transition video. Let's go ahead and have a look at it. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have one more look at these dirty beams. Look how green that is. Very green, hasn't been cleaned in a long time. All right. However, Super Blast is here. Let's get after it. Let's have a look. You see all that mold's melting off of there? Now all we gotta do is take the infamous wash jet tip for the satisfying rinse. Let's get after it. Very nice people. They just booked to have their driveway done and the back slab back here. Let's just go ahead and have a quick look at this. This came out really nice back here. Cleaned the deck off. Everything came out nice. All right, we'll be back here on November 1st to do the driveway and the pavers out back. I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and it's just that easy. Get after it. Right, it's turning out to be a wonderful day. Here I am in my regular Customerville here. I got 1, 2, 3 on the log right now, and there's probably going to be a couple more added to it. Summertree and Newport Richey, another golf community. Nice place. A lot of times you can see deer here and all kinds of stuff. I won't see them now, but there it is, Summertree, baby. And we're going to Golf Round Drive. We ain't playing golf either. Concrete madness for the rest of the day. All right, let's get after it. All right, here we are. We're going to be doing this driveway over here on this sidewalk. And it's really not that bad. So how we're going to do these today is we're not going to pre-treat. We're going to just go ahead and do them. And then post-treat them. That'll take care of it. Right up to that park right there, and then the gutter in the road. Then we're going to be doing this one over here. Then I have one around the corner, 3 more over there, which we're not going to get today, and then I have another one down on Paradise Point Way. All right, let's get after it. out nice. Next. All right, here we are, job number 2. These driveways are not bad at all. The HOA is just very, very asinine around here. Let's get after it. Take a gander, that looks great. Driveway came out real nice. No marks. All right, let's get on to the next one. 2 more to go. Get after it. All right, let's have a look at this one here. This one I went ahead and treated it, needed it. We got mold all the way around the back here. Just a regular customer. There he is right there, Rusty boy. We stick it all the way back down to the back. Then there's a little deck in the back there. All right, let's get after it. Let's take a look. The driveway came out really nice. When it dries, it'll be nice and white. Sidewalk came out great. Shut the water off real quick. Just a regular customer. It's like the 7th or 8th time I've been out here. I do a lot of them here in Summer Tree. And that's a good thing, right? Regular business is always good. All right, let's have a look at the rest. Cleaned all around the AC units. Everything came out splendid. Cleaned the doorway out. This window cleaned off. That's rust stuff. This is the HOA with rust every day. Clean this little thing back here. It's a nice little setting, huh? Nice little creek, pond. Very cool. All right, that's gonna be a wrap. We got 1 more to go. Let's get after it. It's been a while since I've been in here, but look at the sidewalk still. I know somebody that has a pressure washing business, but it's really not a business, it's a hobby. You know, if you don't work every day, your business is a hobby. Oh yeah, that thing still dirty, dirty, dirty all the way down. Look at that. Well, I guess when you have a hobby, you don't get the job, right? Still rusty, rusty, rusty. Look at that. Anyway, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and I guess they just can't find anybody to do their sidewalk for cheap. Get after it! Yep, there's that same old spot. Must have overpriced it. All right, here we are. Last job of the day. Thank goodness. Thanks somebody, right? Another driveway and sidewalks. Let's get after it and get her done. And we're off for tomorrow. Lay around and lick my wounds after working so hard all week. Man, I pumped out a lot of jobs. And that's a good thing. I got a lot more jobs lined up. I'm booked all the way into November. All right, let's get after it. Have a quick look. Everything came out really nice. Everything looks really good. That's going to be a wrap for the day. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Ring the bell and get notified of all the pressure washing craziness over here at Super Blast. All right, get after it. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. Hey, what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
Mr. American.
Get after it!